Chair, I do apologize and thank you for indulging me. I've just come from the airport and I don't have my card. So I'll request that even as we go on, when I carry my hand, if you could kindly indulge me. Chair, I think this matter has come before this House before. And I would want to encourage the leader of majority. Your name is the leader of majority. It means you have majority. When you misuse your majority, it shows impunity. Even in the committees, you have majority. Please follow procedure for posterity. If a committee has actually passed a report, Chair, it is unprocedural for then the chair to sit unilaterally and change and amend the reports of a committee. You are making the work of the committees useless. What I would want to encourage, Chair, that going forward, Chair, I would want to encourage that we follow procedure.
Thank you, Mali.
Encourage each other. And the chair of the committee, I know, is a guy who listens. And people listen to him. I've been before his committee, so he can encourage members.
Thank you so much, Honorable Mili.
He can encourage members, and members will listen to his amendments and he will have the numbers. But the way we are going is unprocedural, it is wrong, and we are setting a terrible precedence in this House. I would want to encourage that we do the right.
Just Chair, you know, on a point of order, Honorable Chair.
I'll make it very short, Honorable Majority Leader.
Because Honorable Chair, Honorable Mili is very fond of mentioning my name, even assuming that I am the chair of the committee, because I am not the chair of the committee, Honorable Speaker. But if you are speaking procedures, Honorable Speaker, Honorable Chair, I want you to restrict yourself as to whether the amendments on the order paper are rightly before the House. And the straight answer, Honorable Speaker,